So eto na nga, sa tuwing nasa Manila ako, palagi ako nagpupunta sa isang sikat na salad place. At kapag i-vlog ko yung mga kinain ko doon, palaging merong comment na kailan ba magkakaroon sa Pampanga niyan. Nako, say no more guys kasi meron tayo ditong sarili nating salad place. Nagsiserve sila ng mga super fresh na salad wraps, salad bowls, nacho salad, at meron din ng iba't ibang mga juices perfect for your detox routine. The place is called The Juice Guy, open from Monday to Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Meron silang parking lot and located ito right in front of Carmelite Parish. Ito yung mga order natin at uunahin natin itong Purple Gourmet. It's a colorful mix of vegetables tapos meron siyang ham and egg at yung dressing niya ay sweet sriracha vinaigrette. Ito naman yung roasted chicken salad na merong sesame mayo dressing, grilled chicken, almonds, cashew nuts, corn, egg, and vegetables. Parang ito yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Up next, ito yung pinakamadalas kong makitang pictures nila sa social media. Yung salad na nakalagay sa cup. I ordered this in their mango canny variant. Sobrang perfect siyang snack on the go kahit nabaon sa school or sa work. Ito naman yung mga salad wraps nila. Meron tayo nitong cheesy beef. Tapos yung isa naman ay cheesy roasted chicken. Everything is so fresh, vibrant, tasty, and light. At ang dami nilang natutulungan ng mga nagme-maintain ng healthy diet either due to personal or even medical reasons. Ito naman yung very cheesy na nacho salad. Okay to kung nagsisimula mo palang turuan yung sarili mong kumain ng gulay. Kasi yung extra crunch from the nacho chips make it more enjoyable. Up next, eto na yung mga freshly squeezed lemonade nila. Yung nauna namin tinikman ay yung apple, followed by berry, at yung pangatlo ay cucumber. Sa lahat ng drinks nila dito, hindi sila gumagamit ng sugar. They use raw honey and nothing but the freshest vegetables. Tapos eto naman yung sarili nilang mix of juices. Meron niyang iba't ibang mga benefits. Yung iba ay for energy, for immune system, detox and weight loss, at kung ano-ano pa, naka-indicate naman sa bottle kung ano yung mga yon. Mas makakamura ka pag binili mo yan by bundle at meron din silang detoxification routine na pwede mong i-follow. They have an in-house delivery around Angeles City pero kung medyo malayo ka naman, pwede kang mag-order through their page and then ipapick up na lang sa rider. Yung mga naunang tinikman namin, eto yung mga matagal na nilang sineserve. But apart from that, meron silang dalawang bagong flavor. Yung isa has pineapple, celery, and moringa. Yung pangalawa naman has a mix of fruits with turmeric, ginger, and pepper, so perfect tong anti-inflammatory. So sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng healthier options ng pagkain dito sa Angeles City, The Juice Guy is definitely something you wouldn't wanna miss.